Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you unlock the power of digital with practical strategies that will drive results. Stick around and learn how to elevate your digital presence. Make that game happen one video at a time. Let's get started. So there's endless possibilities of video content nowadays. And I've got a Google document. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got the link in there to explore this more and get, I guess you'd say, the chapter and verse on what we're talking about. The first one that comes up in the document is innovative storytelling. Now, a long time ago, yours truly went to Oklahoma, okay, to the tribal powwow. My wife's a member of the Choctaw tribe, and she asked her cousin Norm, who's full-blood Choctaw, well, what's Guy's Indian name? And he replied, Talk a Lot. He said it in the Choctaw language, and I wish I had a recording of that instance, but I don't. But it translated when she asked to talk a lot. And sometimes I think I do. I have those squirrel moments, and they just go on and on and on. And anyway, getting back to the ranch, innovative storytelling. You can make the short form videos, or you can create a documentary, a web series, talking about whatever. Put it into video, and the most popular place I think is YouTube. It's some people tout it as the second biggest search engine in the world. I know I've used it many times for a how-to video on a number of things. So let's go down more in the document. And there's two ways to talk about in video that you can engage the senses. Okay? You can use a 360-degree video where you pan around like the entire room or the entire area. Okay? And there's ASMR, and I confess I looked it up. It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Okay? So I understand fully now why they call it ASMR for short. Anyway, that gives you a sensation that you get from the content of, oh wow, this is pretty cool. Okay? Interactive videos can take two forms. You can have them be a choose your own adventure, path A or path B. And the other one is they have an instance where you can have a quiz or a poll. And speaking of polls, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Click on the bell for future episodes, etc., etc. So, you can boost your engagement two ways with video. And they're saying that you can have clickable elements, right? Or you can go to see more, click here, right? And then the other one is data collection, where they have you sign up to maybe download this document that you're getting on search engine optimization campaign or something. So join us. There's a contact on the GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. And sign up for Practical Digital Strategies. Join that group that's on Facebook. And you get the latest and the greatest. Okay? Like I say, if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, you can get a link to this document that we talked about today. That was the endless possibilities of video content. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.